Pepsi shares rose to a record high today after the company reported solid quarterly results and said the investment in its snacks business is paying off. That sent the stock up more than 3.5% to that all-time high. Sara Eisen has details.
PepsiCo is turning up growth a notch, posting its best sales growth in about 3 years. The key number for PepsiCo, organic revenue, growing 5.2%. What's behind that kind of growth? Well, snacks, for one, is doing much better. Growth in Frito-Lay in particular, the core brand, fueling the gains. But also North American beverage business has come back lately. Hugh Johnston, the CFO and vice chairman of PepsiCo, says the portfolio is just working.
I think it's a combination of two things. Number one, you see continued portfolio strength, whether it's our U.S. businesses, our international businesses, across snacks and beverages. We just continue to see strong, broad-based performance. In addition to that, our North America beverage business really has been strengthening over the last couple of quarters as we've invested in more advertising, we've invested in more execution.
PepsiCo is spending a lot more these days on advertising, just like Coca-Cola has been doing. It's also seeing better execution. For instance, when it comes to the sales force on the ground, just placing product in the store, Johnston tells me they've seen a lot more efficiencies, and that's led to higher profits and higher sales. He also sees a pretty healthy consumer globally.
Within our segment of the economic world, we see a consumer that is capable of spending and is willing to spend on products that they really see as differentiated and adding value. And that's what's driving our focus behind putting money behind advertising, putting money behind innovation, because when you deliver something different that the consumer likes, they're certainly willing to pay for it and buy lots of it.
The market has already reflected Pepsi's new growth prospects. The stock has outperformed Coca-Cola and the rest of the staples so far in 2019, and it certainly ups the bar for Coca-Cola reporting earnings next week. It's been hit a little bit harder by the strength of the U.S. dollar because it has a much bigger international business. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Sara Eisen.